0% installment. Sounds perfect, di ba? Pero ang tanong, totoo nga bang wala ka ng additional na babayaran? Hi everyone, Crisel Morales here. Welcome back dito sa ating YouTube channel. Today, I am going to expose the truth about 0% installment and whether it's really worth it. Alright, proceed na tayo. First of all, ano nga ba talaga ang ibig sabihin ng 0% installment? Well, it means no interest charge per month, but it is not always the best deal because it only works for gadgets, appliances, and big purchases. At ang requirement, active credit card and good payment behavior. Okay, now, let us proceed with the hidden truth number 1. You still pay fees. Yes, it's true, because the bank may charge you with processing fee, conversion fee, or service fee. For example, 0% interest pero merong processing fee na 300. Ibig sabihin, not really zero. Truth number 2, suggested retail price or SRP is higher. Stores oftentimes do not discount items under 0% installment. Kaya, you lose the chance to pay cash price and sale price. You pay the full amount of the item. Sometimes, ang cash price niya is 25,000 at ang 0% installment price niya is 28,000. So, ang laki ng amount na na-miss natin. Sayang din. Truth number 3, you might spend more than what you planned. Psychologically speaking, dahil nga 0% installment, ang akala natin ay very light, very easy to pay kasi nga 0% installment. And that results to impulsive buying. Dahil ang akala natin magaan siya, pero hindi natin alam we are spending what we have planned, kaya napapagastos tayo lalo. Example okay, ang installment mo is 1,200 per month. And in 1 year, that is 14,400. Pero pag cash mo sana binili, makukuha mo siya ng 12,000. So you see the difference? At dahil nga 0% installment payable in 12 months, 18 months, 24 months, and that results to impulsive buying, kaya kung minsan, you buy things you don't need. And you keep adding installments. And the worst thing, you end up cash flow negative. Oh. And truth number 4, it reduces your credit card limit. Yes, kasi dahil nga babayaran mo ng installment, yung binili mo, so hindi mo na ibabalik ng buo yung nagamit mo na credit limit. So, ibig sabihin, kapag halimbawang 14,400 ang babayaran mo in 1 year, monthly kang magbabayad ng 1,200, so yung credit limit mo, hindi nabubuo yung total credit limit na na-assign sa credit card mo. Samantalang, kapag binili mo siya ng cash or using your credit card, babayaran mo siya ng buo the following month, buo rin kapag nag-replenish ang credit limit mo. And pwede mo na naman siyang gamitin on other purchases. And I'd like to give emphasis that will affect your future purchases and emergency expenses. Kasi kapag may emergency expenses ka, walang laman ng credit card mo kasi nga nag 0% installment ka. So, kumbaga, yung credit limit mo, mabubuo lang yan after 1 year. And nakaka-affect din siya sa credit score mo, especially if the utilization is high. Truth number 5, late payments become very costly. Yes, one delayed payment means finance charge, high interest, and or penalties. Yung 0% instantly becomes 29 to 36% interest. So yan, Nakita nyo na kung gaano ka-expensive and costly ang mga penalties and interest and charges, auto charges, kapag na-late ang payment natin sa 0% installment. However, this vary naman. Depende kay bangko doon sa terms and conditions na naka-indicate. Pero, ang katotohanan, may penalties, may interest, may charges. So, the truth is, hindi talaga siya 0% kung tutuusin, lalo na kapag na-late ka sa payment mo and chinarge ka ni bangko, mas mahal na ang babayaran mo. Kapag na-miss mo ang payment mo, nasira na yung term na 0. Well, that's the truth. But of course, let us give the benefit of the doubt naman. So, kailan naman masasabi na ang 0% installments are worth it? Alright, eto ha. Ang 0% installment is worth it kapag ang cash price at ang installment price are the same. Pareho lang. Ibig sabihin, kapag binili mo to ng cash with the amount of 10,000 pesos, at kapag binayaran mo siya in an installment with 0% interest at the same lang yung sale price, then worth it yan. Kaya kailangan nating magsaliksik, magtanong. Huwag mahihiyang magtanong. May right? Ay, joke lang. Diba? So, it's best to ask. Magtanong tayo sa mga merchants, sa mga sales lady, sa cashier, para we become knowledgeable of the items that we are buying. Para makita natin kung worth it ba na bayaran mo to in an installment with 0% interest or bilhin mo na lang siya in cash kapag mas mura. And worth it ang 0% installment kapag meron kang payment plan. Kaya mong bayaran yung monthly payment mo. And worth it ang 0% installment kapag nakakatulong sa budgeting ng pamilya mo. And most importantly, hindi madadamage ang cash flow ng family mo. And eto naman, kailan naman natin sasabihin na hindi worth it? Number 1, if the sticker price is higher. If merong processing fee, may existing ka ng loan or may existing ka ng installment. And if the utilization may hurt your credit score. And eto pa, if you tend to overspend. So, sino ang makakasagot ng lahat ng to? Of course, kayo. Diba? So, considering all these things that I have discussed with you, kapag ang sagot ay yes, then go. Pero kapag ang sagot ay no, then don't. Kasi, you will eventually suffer after all the excitements, after the impulsiveness, and after yung pagka-overwhelm mo doon sa idea psychologically speaking na magaan, light, easy to pay. Kasi kung minsan dahil nga 0% installment, sige, i-go na natin to. Pero kung hindi natin alam ang mga hidden truth, then baka magsisi tayo kasi at the end of the day, tayo naman talaga ang magsasuffer. We will suffer the consequences. Kaya importante magplano ng maigi at tignan all sides and think twice, not just twice, but thrice. Alright, conclusion. After discussing these things, hindi naman ibig sabihin na ang 0% installment ay isang trap. But it's not always the good deal. Kaya it requires knowledge and wisdom for a better decision. Well, it's good if the math makes sense and if you are disciplined. Pero kapag nag-aalangan tayo, better yet, huwag na lang. Alright, I'll give you an idea. Tandaan ito. Kapag hindi mo kayang bayaran ng cash, baka kasi hindi mo kailangan. Kaya, huwag tayong maging impulsive. Huwag tayong ma-overwhelm. Huwag tayong paladesisyon. Because, as what I've said a while ago, at the end of the day, tayo rin naman ang magsasuffer. At baka after a week or 2, magsisisi ka, sasabihin mo sa sarili mo, sana hindi na lang ako nag-installment. May pera naman akong available kasi sana kinash ko na lang. At least, wala na sana akong iisipin. 'Di ba? May mga ganong ideas tayo. Kaya kailangan mag-decide tayo ng maigi. Alright, so tatanungin ko naman kayo. Kayo ba, would you choose cash or 0% installment? Mag-comment down naman kayo para mabasa ko kung ano ang mga options or choices ninyo. Alright, so dyan po nagtatapos ang ating video for today. Sana ay may natutunan kayo. Okay, a revelation of the truth is very important. Sabi nga, if you know the truth will set you free. And that is biblical. So sana po nakapag-impart ako ng knowledge sa inyong lahat para sa susunod na mga purchases ninyo, lalong-lalo na December na. And I believe na ang dami nating gustong gawin, ang dami nating gustong bilhin, gifts for our families, for our loved ones, office mates, lalong-lalo na exchange gift. At saka kung minsan may talagang designated amount pa, worth 500, worth 1,000, worth 1,500. Alright, so I hope once again nag-enjoy din kayo sa ating content for today. And sana po yung mga hindi pa nag-subscribe, makapag-subscribe sa ating YouTube channel. Meron tayong notification bell down there that you can tap so that you'll always be notified sa mga susunod na videos natin. Alright, remember always na kahit gaano karaming problema ang hinaharap ng bawat isa sa atin, despite all the trials and challenges na walang exempted, lahat tayo undergo this kind of problem. Lahat tayo may kanya-kanyang portion of trials and challenges in life. Remember that life is beautiful because God is so good. Bye everyone!